Now the cubital fossa, steps of dissection, and transverse incision in between the lower one third and upper two third. A transverse incision, and again a transverse incision on the upper one third and lower two third of the forearm, anterior component of the forearm. Then a vertical incision, just meeting the first and second incision. Okay. Then flip the skin with superficial fossa. Now the boundary of the cubital fossa. Medially, lateral border of the pronator teres. This is the pronator teres, and laterally medial border of the brachioradialis. This is the brachioradialis. Clear? Apex is formed by the meeting point of pronator teres and brachioradialis, and a base which is by the imaginary line in between the two epicondyle of the humerus. In between the two epicondyle of the humerus. হ্যাঁ, এটা ভিতর থেকে টেন্ডনটা আরো ভিতরে আছে, আমরা খুঁজলে পাবো এদিকে। ঠিক আছে, ওকে। ফ্লোর ইজ ফর্মড বাই দ্য সুপারনাটাল মাসল। ওকে, নাও দ্য কন্টেন্ট ফ্রম মিডিয়াল টু ল্যাটারাল। এমবিবিএস মিডিয়ালি থাকবে কি? median nerve. This is the median nerve. This is the brachial artery. Tendon of the biceps brachii, and more laterally superficial branch of radial nerve. Clear?